Yo, 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 what's up, my deity dogs? We're back. That was a stolen intro off of TikTok. Maybe you knew that, maybe you didn't. But that's besides the point. We're back at it again. Second video on the channel. And today, we are starting a whole new series. We are going to make a very, very well functioning calculator on C sharp coding. C sharp, and you may notice, or you may not, we're in a different we're in a different we're using a different software. We are using Visual Studio 2019 Community. So we're using Visual Studio 2019, which is different because last video we used Visual Studio Code, which is what I usually use to code. But apparently it has some issues and there's more features with like there's more features on the techie side of uh Visual Studio 2019. So I know it's not 2019, but 2019 is, in my opinion, better than 2022 for Visual Studio. So I'm in 2019 right now. So it's all good. It actually looks like I'm in 2022. I'm not in 2022, am I? Why am I in 2022? Who knows? Anyway, even though I may be in 2022, it's basically the same. We can build our solution here, whatever. This is just a template. Don't worry about this. So guys, you may be asking yourself, well, Wipplez, how are you going to make a calculator? Well, it's actually very simple. And for me at least, it's simple enough to the point where I'm able to explain it decently on YouTube. So this is part 1 of the series of making a full-fledged calculator. Pi may be included, square root may be included. Who knows? Okay, time will tell with future episodes in this series. Okay, so I've just added the, default stuff that you add whenever you're making any single program or application. You have your namespace, you have your class, default class program, because that's what it's called. Static void, your main method. Simple, simple. Now, what do we do first is the question, because we need to make sure this calculator is the best it can be, and we need to make sure that it works well. So, what we're going to do is, right off the bat, we're going to have it sleep just for a few seconds, just so it's a bit cleaner, And also, okay, hold on, this is driving me nuts. I have to fix this formatting. I'm too used to like Java and stuff. This is all crazy to me with I just can't do this. Okay, that's better. So now we have thread.sleep for 3 seconds. So the program's going to do nothing for 3 seconds. And now we are going to have it ask console.writeLine. What should we make it say? What type of calculation do you want me to do? And that's what that's going to do. And we're going to have a string variable, and it's going to be named calc type, just get what type of calculation, equals console.readLine. Okay, so simple code so far. Simple, dimple, limple, pimple. Easy squeezy. I don't even know. So now, what we're going to do with this string is we are going to do if calc type equals, let's do simple ones, addition, or calc type equals, oh god, what have I done? Calc type equals add, then we're going to have it do add. And we don't actually have an add method yet, so I'm going to add that really quickly. Get it, add, because like it's an I'm just going to give up on this channel. Okay, so now that we have our static void add method, this is, okay, let's just add all the if statements first. That way we're going to know what we're dealing with here. Okay, guys, so basically what I've done, I've added all the static void methods, add, subtract, multiply, divide, and I've also added the if statements for all of them. That way, depending on what you type in this little enter thing here, user input thing, it will run one of these four methods. Um, and also, as you may have noticed, I did the little thing with the brackets to not be like this next to it, just be like that. That way there's like a little space in between because I've never done it that way before. I thought I might as well get used to it because I've never done it before. I'll try it. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, guys, so basically what I did, I know a lot of things just changed, and it's because I paused my OBS recording and I accidentally forgot to unpause it when I did a bit of changing to the code. But basically, I'll just get you up to speed on what happened. So, I decided to make a new integer variable called math up here at the top of the main method. And basically, I removed all of the static void things where it was like divide, subtract, because I realized, well, that's just tedious. I just have to repeat the same code in every single method. Well, I just make one method called math. Well, I'm actually going to change it because it looks a bit messy. The math. And we're going to do the math in every single one of these. And depending on whether the user picked addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division, it's going to set this math integer to either 1, 2, 3, or 4, which corresponds to these four what's it called? Calculator types. So then it's going to run the math method, and this is this. So it's going to print a blank line. It's going to do enter your first number, which is like, your first number in a calculator, simple. And then there's a double variable, which is a integer with, I think, 14 digits. If I'm wrong, then oh well. I'll put it on the screen if I'm right or not. And it's called first num, and that's gonna read the line here, and the number would be imported here by the user. So then that's gonna do that, and then it's gonna print another blank line. It's gonna do enter your second number. So that's that. So that's basically it. You didn't miss that much, but yeah, we're starting from here now. And then like that, we're gonna do double. Oh, how did it know? Second. Oh, well, that's just handy dandy. That was the coolest. Well, this is like some, what the heck? This is like some Google autofill type crap. I've literally never seen that before. I don't know why. That's never happened when I've been coding. So now that we have the second number and first number of, what's it called, user input, we are going to do, what's it called? We are going to console.write line, and we are going to do if math. Is this the right if math? What? Oh, I'm dumb. Okay, so if math equals 1, which is addition, we'll do first num plus, or no, we'll do we're gonna do uh double sum, and that's gonna be sum equals first num plus second num, or more like result, because it could really be anything. So that's gonna be the addition one, and then when that's done, we're gonna do uh if math equals 2. Okay, yeah, it already knows what I'm doing. Result equals first num minus second num. Oops, did that wrong. Now we're gonna do if math equals 3, first num times second num. I'm really screwing up my code here. Oh my God, why are there quotation marks there? And finally, if math, equals 4, obviously, result equals the first num divided by second num. Okay, so now that we've done that, let's put a little comment here. The if statements that actually do the math. We are gonna have it do, we're just gonna have it print the line. So then we're gonna do console dot write line result. Or no, we're gonna do your answer is, and then we're gonna do plus result. And since math is not gonna be any other integer rather than other than 1, 2, 3, or 4, we're gonna do else environment dot exit because it's not supposed to do that. So we're just gonna do else if, and then else environment dot exit. So that's gonna do that. Now, why is this doing this? Use of unassigned local variable result. Why is this doing this? Okay, guys, so it's been around, I don't even know, 10, 15 minutes, and for some reason, I can't fix this problem. The problem is that when I run the code, it says, and I tried multiple different ways to fix this, doing like if math is not 1, 2, 3, or 4, close, and then adding like uh the double variables like in between, where is it, like before it actually happens and then declaring it, or like undeclared and then declare, or just but look, what type of calculation? Add, enter your first number 30, and then it just says a random number 99. But it's like, where is it being set to 99? How is second number being set to, what is 30 minus 99? Oh, would you look at that? Wow, wow. How funny. How funny. Something is being set to 69. I did not plan that. If I do add again, and I do 20, 98. Second num is for some reason, and there's no issues found. So something's going on here. I don't know. But that's basically how you build the most simple version of a calculator. This is the most simple version of a calculator you can probably build, besides that one little bug that I'll fix in the next episode, of course. So like this video if you really enjoyed it. This is the first episode of the series. There's going to be more, hopefully. And hopefully I'm not just going to give up like every other series on every YouTube channel I've ever made. So, yeah, I'll see you guys then, and goodbye.